Hello, good morning, guys. This is Rene Escamilla. I'm going to explain the activity that you guys are going to complete during the day. So, as a first step, just let me to tell you that we have some information that you must know, all right? So, first step would be to use your own creativity, right, in order to create this simple volcano. You don't have to worry to make a 3D huge model volcano, all right? So try to be simple with the things that you are going to use and with the activity that you are going to complete, all right? So over here, if you see, we are requiring to use earth, mud, or clay, right? So, or plastic or paper, whatever you think is useful, you can use it, all right, in order to complete this activity properly. As a second step, let me tell you that once you complete or once you've done this volcano, I suggest you to take a picture. All right, so that would be the first process or first step that you need to complete. Second, all right, so we need to imagine, right, an earthquake occur. All right, so and it could be anywhere. Just imagine something that an earthquake is happening around the area where you are, and the volcano erupts, right? So try to use your creativity and take another picture, right? So and take another picture. That would be the second picture that you guys need to uh, consider that it would be added on your activity. Okay, so this picture would be how and like how the volcano is ending after an eruption. Okay, so as long as you finish with this two step, what I suggest you to do again, you have to upload the two pictures on your classroom, your Google Classroom, and that would be it. First picture, my volcano. Second picture, my volcano after the earthquake and eruption. All right, that would be everything. If you have any questions, doubt, concerns, please let me know. Thank you very much. Have a blessed rest of the day. Bye bye.